Welcome to Best Brains Quiz. Please subscribe. 25 riddles that will test your brain speed. Only a genius can solve these riddles. We are kicking off with the easy level. Let's go. What has keys but can't open locks? A piano. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I? An echo. What gets wetter the more it dries? A towel. I have cities but no houses, forests but no trees, and rivers but no water. What am I? A map. What can travel around the world while staying in a corner? A stamp. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? Footprints. What has a neck but no head, a body but no legs, and arms but no hands? A shirt. I'm light as a feather, yet the strongest man can't hold me for long. What am I? Breath. What has one eye but can't see? A needle. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? The letter M. I fly without wings, I cry without eyes. Whenever I go, darkness flies. What am I? A cloud. What has a heart that doesn't beat? An artichoke. I'm always running but never move. What am I? A prop. The man who invented it doesn't want it. The man who bought it doesn't need it. The man who needs it doesn't know it. What is it? A coffin. What has roots as nobody sees, is taller than trees, up it goes, and yet it never grows. A mountain. I'm taken from a mine and shut up in a wooden case, from which I'm never released, and yet I'm used by almost every person. What am I? Pencil, lead, graphite. What runs all around a backyard, yet never moves? A fence. I have branches, but no fruit, trunk, or leaves. What am I? A bank. What can fill a room but takes up no space? Light. The poor have me, the rich need me, and if you eat me, you'll die. What am I? Nothing. I'm not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I don't have a mouth, but water kills me. What am I? Fire. What has keys, strings, and nails, but can't play music or build anything? A typewriter. I'm always in front of you but cannot be seen. The moment you pass me, I'm gone. What am I? The future. What begins with T, ends with T, and has T in it? A teapot. I'm weightless, but you can see me. Put me in a bucket, and I'll make it lighter. What am I? A hole. Thanks for watching. Drop in the comment how many riddles you were able to solve. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.